Hi everyone looking to create a stunning AI videos without spending a dime. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Wan 2.1, a powerful open source AI video generator to transform your text or images into a high quality videos effortlessly. Let's get started. First, visit the Wan video to explore Wan 2.1 capabilities. Then alternatively, you can try Wan 2.1 through platforms like Monica AI or Fall AI. Then here you can choose your input. You can choose text to video or image to video. Then customize your video. You can select your desired aspect ratio like 16 by 9 for YouTube or 9 by 16 for TikTok, and you can choose your resolution. Adjust the other settings like duration, motion style to fit your needs. Then after that, click the generate and then click the generate button to start the video creation process. And once the video is ready, preview it to ensure that it meets your expectation. And once you're happy with the result, download the final video to your device or share it directly to your preferred platform. And for pro tips, you can choose an optimal result or use a clear or detailed prompt. Experiment with different styles and settings to achieve desired result. Then utilize the platform's editing tools to fine-tune your video. And that's it. You've successfully created an AI generated video using Wan 2.1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.